What are the three most important pillars to succeed in today's world? Hey everyone, Akshay Rashikran here. Today I'm going to tell you what are the three most important pillars in your marketing, in your journey. These are the most important things. If you have these three things in place, like you will be able to attract like a lot of people, like you will be able to impact more people's lives. The number one thing is like hook. Hook is all about like grabbing attention. In today's world, like we are connected in hyper connected world. There is so many people, there is so many distractions, there is so much of technology, and everybody is fighting for getting attention. And attention is the big currency over there. Attention, where the money flows, is like where the attention flows. And if you are someone who knows how to grab the attention of people, you can never ever become poor again. And that is why having great hook is the most important thing. Grabbing the attention of people in fraction of few seconds is the most important key in today's world. If you can't grab the attention of people in few seconds, see right now the attention span of human being has gone down less than like a dolphin, like a fish, right? Like it's so important. And because we are connected in a hyper connected world, and there is so much of chaos happening, like you have to know what is like your niche and what is like your message, and how lucrative, like how easy like you can make it, so that like you will be able to connect people with emotional flickers and other things. And that is why all big companies, like if you see like Facebook, if you see YouTube and Instagram, every company out there, they hire some of the world's most incredible engineers. They bring people from Vegas casinos, like who design the casinos, missions, everything, and they ask them exactly what is that thing. If we do, we can make the game so addictive, how we can make the social media so addictive, so that people stay for the rest of the day, like spending hours or like hours, minutes every single day, sitting in a slot machine and be playing video games on social media and all these things. Because, and that is why today if you see all the biggest companies in the world, like example Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, they make the most money in the world. And these companies which we can't even touch, and it's all about like we can just feed, right? And it's all about the knowledge, it's just the information, because we'll right now just stay in the information age. And like you have to understand, if you want to make a huge impact, if you want to make more money, make sure that you learn exactly how to grab the attention of people. Attention is the key. Hook is all about like grabbing attention of people. And the second thing is all about like storytelling is the key. People, it doesn't matter whether it is a 7-year-old person or like 70-year-old person, people connect with stories. People connect with like people who can relate, like who are from the same place, same language, same country. Like the more similarities we have, like we will be able to connect with the people. And that is why storytelling is the key. Like example, if I ask you guys, like who was like once upon a time a chai wala and today prime minister of a country, very big country, almost every single person knows it's like Sri Narendra Modi ji, right? And that is the key, because see, stories can connect with lot of people. And the same thing, like if I ask once upon a time there was a great actor who was called like a ticket collector, and today people call him superstar. Within a fraction of a second, like you'll come to know, do let me know the person name in the comments, like you'll come to know it's like Rajinikanth, right? And that is why stories connect with people. It creates a bigger bond, and you have to know exactly how you'll be able to connect with people. The more you connect, the more impact you can make. And that's how like you'll be able to make a world a better place to live. The first pillar was hook, second thing is like stories, and third thing is offers. See, everything is all about like offers. People in fact spend more money if you have a great offer. Now see, even when we go to like a market or something, like people who are selling even vegetables, they also know. And it's all about when you come up with a great offer, like a no-brainer offer, people are going to buy. Like they will buy. It doesn't matter what it is. Like at the end of the day, it's all about coming up with a great offer. See, it's all about when you create more value. See, and it's all about you'll be paid for the proportionate of the problem you solve. It's all about when you create a value which is like 10 times, 5 times the price, easily people will be able to afford it. The only thing is like you have to showcase the end results. What is that they are going to get from your program or like your product or like your service? And if you're able to prove someone, and a lot of people have this confusion and doubt, what will happen if I try to invest in a course or a program or a mentorship, and they always over analyze, like over over paralysis. They think everything, what's going to happen, what's going to happen. See, in fact, you have to see, even there should be a risk in the game, and if anyone can show like exactly what will be the output, like after taking the product or like your offer, what can be the return. If the return is like 5 times 10 times more than what they are paying, who in the world doesn't want to take your offer? The only thing is like you have to convince people in a way that they'll be able to relate, and that is the most important thing. It's all about great offers always sell, and in fact that's the reason why people pay like 10 times more money for an iPhone compared to a normal phone, right? Like Apple products and big cars like Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, all these cars, like people pay like BMW, like they pay like 10 times. What's the difference? Even a normal car can take you to the destination. Even a normal phone you can talk to people, but people still go for Apple phones. People go for like high-end luxury cars and staying in luxury places because people want to feel that luxury. People want to pat them back and tell like, I have achieved something great, I have worked hard, I have to stay in the moment, I have to feel happy. And that's the reason I always tell like, come up with great offers to my clients as well, who are in my programs, in my coaching programs, because always great offer sells. Only thing is you have to talk to the right audience. See, you can't just talk to a random person and make him buy. You have to talk to the right group of people and connect with them and build a great relationship with them, and that's how like you'll be able to close big deals. And these are the 3 most important pillars if you're into marketing, coaching, consulting, or whatever, like selling any product or services. Like you have to make sure that like you have all these 3 things in place, having a great hook for your offer, story, and message, and that's how like you'll be able to connect. And conclusion is, always make sure that do let me know what is like your hook, what is like your story, and what is your offer in the comments, and I'm going to personally read it. And thank you so much everyone for watching, and have a great day.